Wow! Wow! Bro! Hey! Yo! Hey, yo! What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today, we'll be reacting to an old song, a 4-year-old song done by Diana. It is called Take Me On. First time reaction. And yes, if you guys are watching this video during the Christmas season, after the Christmas season, or it's for the New Year's, you guys are watching this video, well, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone who's watching this. May God bless you and keep you throughout 2025. It's good to have us here on the island, right? It's good to, be here among the living. So much people have died, so it's a privilege to be here today. So without further ado, let's hear what Diana have to say in this 4-year-old song. Peace. She's walking up. Put on the earphone. Music starts. I don't know what I'm to say. I'm saying anyway. Today's another day to find you shining away. I'll be coming for you. Naturally, this woman is a born superstar. She's a Russian, and I do love the Russian people. I do love the Russian artists, especially for the artists that call Shaman. Bro, I rate that artist so much. His voice is so good. So much talented people are from Russia, especially Diana as well as the female. And for the male, we have Shaman. Two great, excellent artists, and I'm loving the look. Diana is my queen here from Russia. Trust me, bro. Oh, wow. 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 Bro. Ain't no way, dog. Ain't no way. Yo. Yo. Bah. 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 No, this is what I called a solar system voice. Quite a remarkable scenery of sound. I'm like, yeah, we should look at the Milky Way, right? Perfect example of how beautiful that is, right? And this is how I can describe Diana's voice. Beautification as if it's the Milky Way, bro. She's too good. Too good, bro. Yo, she's doing this without even trying, bro. Without even breaking a sweat. How professional this is. Sounding good, tasting good, this is. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, yo. These people are way too good. Too good to be true. The smile at the end, angelic. She's an angel, bro. The smile at the end shows how gorgeous she is when she's doing that, bro. Her voice is angelic. Not angelic, angelic. Yo, a mixture of beautiful and beautiful. Damn, Diana. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.